In this video, I am going to show you how to create an account on Coinbase. You must be at least 18 years old. You need a valid photo ID, internet-connected device. You can do it from your phone also. A phone number, updated browser or app, or operating system. To do so, go to Coinbase's website on a computer browser or download the Coinbase app. Click on Get Started and choose your account type. Fill in your legal full name, email address, and create a password. Read and agree of the user agreement and privacy policy. Then verify your email by clicking on the link sent to you. Sign in to Coinbase after that and add your phone number. Enter the code sent via the SMS to complete phone verification. Next, select your preferred ID type and enter the required information from it. You'll also need to provide additional details such as your date of birth, address, source of funds, employment status, and intended use of Coinbase. Complete the ID verification process by submitting a photo of your chosen ID. After these steps, you'll need to wait for further instructions via email. Once your account is set up and verified, you can add payment method to start buying, selling, and managing cryptocurrencies on Coinbase. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.